uppercut. Tired of hitting the layup, shoot it, it's time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up, only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up, you know that we going all in. I could never crawl, I ain't got no time at all. Tired of hitting the layup, shoot it, it's time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up, only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up, you know that we going all in. I could never crawl.
Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Erlock here, lawabidingbiker.com. Thank you for checking back in. Want to save money, rent on your own motorcycle, be part of the #1 online biker community? Every time that subscribe button and bell icon are hit, another biker joins the revolution. We'd like to have you. Road blades from Ciro 3D. These are a nice product to add additional white light and amber turn signals to front of your Harley Road Glide. And like all Ciro 3D stuff, these are a really easy plug and play system. They simply adhere to the front of your shark nose fairing. They're white while you're going down the road. And then of course, when you hit your signals, they turn amber. It gives more awareness up front so motorists have a better chance to see you. And if you appreciate this free video and all the free videos on this channel, you can support us. If you're interested in this product, you can get it right from the Law Abiding Biker store. Link in the description below. We appreciate your support. All right, and with that said, what do you say we get this installed? And although this video is specifically about the shark nose fairing, don't forget we have a full line of Ciro 3D products for all your different makes of Harley-Davidson motorcycles. All right, and just 4 Phillips screws along the top of this windshield on this Road Glide. And that's what he's working on right now. All right, and he's just finishing up the last one there, and we'll get that windshield out of the way. All right, so now he's just going to lift up and remove this vent system and get that out of the way. All right, we're just going to disconnect right and left signals, and you come right up top here, little button, you push it and they pull right out. We'll do that on both sides. He's moving over to the right side here, and same thing. All right, with a 3/16 hex head, you're going to have to remove the signals from both sides. They're just one bolt. All right, and with a T25, there's 2 bolts on the inner fairing here. This is going to release the outer fairing, so you got to get both of these out of here. He's also got a wind deflector on here, of course. So dual purpose, but one on top there you can see he's working on. And then he'll move around to the bottom. And there's one more tucked up underneath there that he's working on. And I'll get that out of the way, and then we'll do that on both sides. Okay, we're going to remove speaker grills. Easiest way is just with like a dental pick or any kind of pick tool. Reach in one of the holes, just be gentle. There's 2 clips on the inside, and just see them there. Those are the 2 clips that go in there, and just pop it right out. All right, with a T-Torx 27, of course there's one on left and right side, and you can see it down in there. He's just getting that backed out. All right, and same on the other side, getting that one backed out. Now that everything's released, he can go ahead and remove this shark nose fairing, and we'll set it aside. All right, so first thing to install these road blades is you want to make sure that you find the center point, which is what he's doing. Just find a place you can measure, and then he's marked his center point with a piece of electrical tape. And just note that you do get 2 different LED strips, and they are marked right and left, so look for that. All right, so what he's doing now that he's got the right and left separated out, he's just test fitting to kind of see before we stick it, because you really only get one shot at that with a 3M sticky tape. So just test fit it, and between the 2 LED strips, you'll have about an 1/8 inch gap from our center point, which is marked by the electrical tape there. Okay, next thing he's doing here, just find a good ammonia-based glass cleaner. He's spraying the lip around there, you can see. You just want to get all oils, dirt, contaminants off. We really want to make sure that we get a good bond with the 3M sticky tape. All right, so on the back of the road blades, you can see, of course, the 3M sticky tape. It's in sections, and it makes it really nice that way. He's just going to peel the first section and get it situated here. That way he doesn't have a problem with the rest of it bonding at this time. You want to line it up with the inside lip. He's centering it with his electrical tape, you can see. Making sure that's centered, and then he's going to run it along the inside lip of the fairing here. All right, he's peeling the other section here. And this is the trickier part because he's got to make the bend again, just keeping it straight as he goes along there. And he's just maintaining to the inside lip of the fairing there as he goes along, and just finishing off there. All right, now you want to go around and press and hold each section for about 30 seconds or so. He'll do it there, and then of course he'll move up around. Just make sure that you have a good bond. All right, and he's just getting started on the other side there. And he got the first part situated there, just peeling off the other strip. And he peeled off the second strip there, and you can see he's just working it up there. All right, and there's a set of road blades installed on the shark nose fairing there, and we just got to get it back on the bike now and get it plugged in. So your kit comes with a Y harness and for each side, and that's what he's going to do. Just a splitter, and he's plugging it into the right and left side, of course, just plug and play like that, guys. And he'll isolate the other one and do the same thing with that Y harness. All right, and in your kit comes these handy little tabs that stick on. It will help you manage the wires here up inside your fairing for the road blades. Okay, and once you get those little tabs stuck in there where you want them, the way they work is you can just put a zip tie through them, and of course then you can zip tie your wire down. And he just managed all his wires there. He's going to set this shark nose back in place here. Okay, so in his hand there he's got his Y harness, of course off his road blades, and there we've got our stock signal. That one there with the orange is your actual one that goes to your stock signal down there on your shark nose fairing, and of course that's the other side of it, stock there. So you're just splitting it. He's plugging it in there, and he'll split it and plug it into the stock signal. There we go, and he'll do that to the other side just the same. And of course just make sure you test everything before you button things down. All right, and of course, you got to get all those greasy fingerprints and all that off there. BUGSLIDE, that's right, guys. Our #1 go-to waterless motorcycle cleaner here at Law Abiding Biker Media. Available in our store, lawabidingbiker.com/store. Use it on paint, use it on chrome, use it on your windshield, everywhere, guys, and it puts a nice protective coat on there, so it makes all those bugs and everything else come off easier later. Again, BUGSLIDE.
Let's get it with an uppercut. Tired of hitting the layup, shoot it, it's time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up, only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up, you know that we going all in. I could never crawl, I ain't got no time at all. Tired of hitting the layup, shoot it, it's time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up, only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up, you know that we going all in. I could never crawl, I ain't got no time at all. You couldn't catch up if you wanted to. I got a new speed and it's on the move. I ain't gotta work no